Oliver. Oliver. Oliver, come here. Come here. Honey, what are you doing? Where you want to go? Let's go this way. What's in the snow? Come here, Ollie. Come on. Come on. Nope, not in the road. Go ahead. Jump in. Jump in. Oh my goodness, you look lovely. How can you even see? You want to go over here? Let's go over here. We'll go in the neighbor's yard. Go ahead. Whoops. Oh, he went potty. Good job. Where are you going? Come on, Oliver. Oliver, come here. Hi, sweetheart. Oh.